Hi, beautiful beings. Eventually, the question moves from why is this happening to me to what is divinity trying to show me? What is moving through me and my consciousness in an evolutionary perspective in this moment? So when things occur, we're not feeling victim to our circumstances. We're not feeling anxiety and stress about the external manifestation. We're sinking deeply inward and we're tuning in to a source of infinite wisdom, infinite love, infinite knowing, and infinite being. And when we're tuning into that space, and often through the heart portal, we begin to open to what is life encouraging me to experience here. And in some cases, it may be just to feel more, to feel grief till you've felt it through, to feel loneliness till it's expired, to feel sadness till there's no more tears to cry, feel stress and anxiety until there's no more to feel. And then there comes that liberation and that sense of connection, deeper connection. Or maybe there's some evolutionary purpose in this experience. Maybe you're being asked to heal and transmute on a deeper level of an ancestral wound, a core wound, a life wound. And maybe that is the calling in the situation. So instead of taking a 3D perspective, why is this happening to me? Let's take a 5th dimensional and above perspective of what is divinity trying to show me in this moment? What is available to me to access deeper connection and knowing with self? And sometimes it may just take tremendous trust that you're being taken on a wild ride. And it's not like a ride where you're looking at a roller coaster from a distance and you can see all the dips and the peaks and you can kind of track the ride in all its glory. It's more like one of those rides you go to where you step into a space, an internal space, like like a ghost ride or like a vortex ride inside a darker area, and you don't know what's coming next, but you trust the joy of the ride because you know that the ride is taking you to a destination of more access to your knowing, more access to your interdimensional self, more access to creating more internal peace through your body in this lived experience. So when you get scared, when the ride doesn't seem clear, when you don't truly know where you're going, sit back, lean into it, experience the thrill of the ride, not just wanting to know the destination. And that's deep trust. That's trust in yourself. That's trust in a greater knowing of life, that if you look back, you can see how every point, every juncture has led to something else, something different, something new. And in some stages it would have been what you perceive as more positive than negative, or vice versa. But it's all a flow of life. It's not, oh my goodness, we're going to get to a positive state and stay there for the rest of eternity. It's, oh, we'll experience a state and then we'll move to a new state. We'll move to a different state of being. And we're not going to connect so deeply in our grasping and our wanting of that state that we are blocked from anything else. We're going to go on the wild ride. So buckle in and trust it. And be well and be love and know you're not alone.